If I can't have you, nobody can. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do Ayano-chan in snap mode. And just like you, I've been waiting a very long time for snap mode to come out. Everyone else has been waiting for like 5 years, but I've been waiting for more like 2 years. But still, it's a long time. I'm kind of waiting for the whole game to be finished, but if like there's like a major update, then I'll play it, like snap mode. And boy, it is horrible in a good way. It's terrifying. The colors for snap mode is inverted, so anything that would be a highlight would be a shadow, and vice versa. But without giving snap mode away, it's basically a game over, but spiced up. So especially, I'm probably gonna use snap mode if I've snapped. If I'm at the end of my rope and something ridiculous happens where I get caught or I'm just really frustrated, snap mode. But you can check out Yandere Dev's video to see like all of the updates, especially he explains in depth what snap mode is. If you're as excited as I am for Yandere Simulator coming up with snap mode, please hit that like button if you enjoy this video and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. No more horsing around. Let's get right into the video and let's get started. By the way guys, never play with knives. Hopefully I don't have to remind you. The only knives you should ever play with is in Yandere Simulator. First thing I'm going to do is do all the sketching for Ayano's clothes. Next thing I'm going to do is just start painting all the basic colors, which is basically red and black. Next, I'll be doing quite a bit of shading in the red zone over here, and maybe add some highlights in the black area. How did that happen? My face is gonna be all black anyway, it doesn't really matter. In snap mode, all the colors are inverted, so what would normally be a shadow is a highlight, and vice versa. Alright, I'm gonna paint my whole face black now and then draw over my eyes with the milk pencil. Alright, I look pretty crazy right now, I know. But I'm gonna be taking the milk pencil and going over any parts that would show the features of my face. Since it's all black, we have to draw our face back in. Now I'm gonna take a bright red eyeshadow and cover everything that is white. almost forgot to paint my ears. Okay, so I actually don't have a bright red long wig, but I have bright red hairspray, so I'm gonna color my hair bright red. Or I hope it comes out bright red. I don't usually use that stuff. I'm also gonna put in red contacts, and we're done. And then the last thing I'm gonna do before I call it a day is cover my whole face in black eyeshadow, kind of acting as a setting powder, but for the color black. The camera is making me disappear. Hello? I'm right here. What if I zoomed in? Can you see me now? What if I got rid of the chair? Except I have to kind of sit. There, now I can see me. What if I brought the chair back in? Okay, that's better. Well, I'll just have to sit like this for now.